On start of the fourth quarter. Good luck. 3-point pass. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 14. Pass to jersey number 13. Jersey number 13 delaying the basket. Pass to jersey number 19. To jersey number 2. Layup. 2 points. 3 points. No good.
Uy.
Out of bounds.
Uy.
Ang mga baskog. Still, now jersey number 19. Pass to 0. To jersey number 3. 3-point pass. So no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 13. Jersey number 13. Delaying the basket. Pass to jersey number 2 na. Miss a pass of the last 2 points. 67-50 to jersey number 3. Nice pass. 2 points. Sige lang manawag lang ko 10 to shoot. Out of bounds. Lapaw. Follow up by jersey number 2. 2 points. Number 18. To jersey number 1. Pull up jumper. No good. Follow up by jersey number 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 2. Pass to jersey 19. 3 points. Kabus. Ball taken by jersey number 5. Pass break to jersey number 0. Attacking the basket. Foul committed by jersey number. A basket first free throw. 55-69. So out of 2. 56-59. Screen by jersey number 2. Big. Sa mga taas. Out of bounds. Jersey number 0. Pass to 17. 2 points. 58-69. By 3 points, no good. Follow up by jersey foul.
Not counted. First free throw. Oh,
Foul.
sumulot pa.
Basket count. 3-point play. 72-50. Jersey number 0. Jersey number 14. Side step. No good. Follow up by jersey. Time out.